Welcome back to MTD, my friends, and guess what? I have Shogo-san with me, a 31-year-old CEO of NAKAMURA-TOME. In case you did not know that already, Nakamura actually started in a garage, in a house in 1949. Can you believe that? And we're standing in front of one of the first machines that was exported to the US, which is important and near and dear to my heart. But Shogo-san has joined me today because there are many messages that go with the history of Nakamura-Tome. And one of them that's most important is bringing this education and having a little fun with the history with it as well. So Shogo-san, thank you so much for being here with MTD.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello everyone. I'm Shogo Nakamura, CEO of NAKAMURA-TOME. Today I will show you some history of NAKAMURA-TOME. Yep.
Starting in 1949, you were third generation and has continued to grow for over 70 years. Let's start in 1949 and share with the audience how Nakamura-Tome started.
Okay, so our company's origin is job shop to supply the parts for textile machine company, right? And then is at the first, my grandfather and grandmother put just two machines, one manual lathe and two drilling machine. They put on his house entrance at first. And then it's gradually bigger and bigger and many operators. But one time, he saw the operator were very tired after working. Some operator slept on the floor of the factory. And he made a decision to make the company name Nakamura-Tome, and make the automatic hydraulic race. And this is very important for us. He wanna support and help operators all over the world in the manufacturing industry.
Nakamura-Tome is known worldwide as the leaders in manufacturing when it comes to multitasking. So we're standing here in front of a very popular machine, right? We're looking 1986, 5,000 units shipped. And I believe that over 70% or around 70% of Nakamura-Tome is exported?
Yeah, at now. Yeah, that's right. This is the first machine for export for US. And this machine, after this machine, spread out all over the world. Now it's 55 countries. We have the customer in all over the world.
Well, Shogo-san, we're obviously standing in front of this machine for a purpose.
Yep.
And we're standing here because we want to share with the audience kind of the transition between manual machining into a more adaptable machining, because we've had people sleeping on the floor, right?
Yeah,
so we're trying to make lifestyles better. Can you talk about this machine and the transition from manual into this concept?
Yeah, that's right. Our Nakamura-Tome's origin and from the automatic hydraulic race. So this is important. The other machine tool builder normally the origin is manual race. And we start from automate. So because he wanna support and help operator. So this is big difference, I think.
I would like to elaborate on that a little bit, saying there's a conversation going on worldwide right now that says to automate with robots and cobots and pallet change and bar feed and all of this. Is this the original mindset of automating from manual?
Yeah, I think so. And without such system, but this is automated, either from manual to automation. So this origin, this machine support us. Always is a bar feeder and gantry loader and robot, and try to push forward automation.
Now, I want to look at that piece that's behind you, Shogo, because you mentioned people sleeping on the shop floor. You've also mentioned wanting to make people's lives better. This is actually a piece that goes into your knee, right?
That's right.
So ultimately, this is a multifaceted idea going, let's make manufacturing fun, let's make it productive, let's enjoy what's going on, and let's help people.
Oh yeah, that's right. And this is a knee implant, and for human body. And this machined by MX100. So this is very special parts for us. And 25 minutes ago, this is just material. After 25 minutes later, so this is a special part for someone's human body and someone's human life. And this is so special moment. In front of machine, we can see actually how it's going on in production. So this is so interesting. I think this is a precious job. Yep. But you know, many factory, so including our factory, have the much burden, tough job. And if we filled up with so much burden, we completely forget enjoy manufacturing. Like you always smile, I always smile. Yeah?
Shogo-san, this is so right. May I hold this piece? Just to reiterate what Shogo-san is talking about, it touches and pulls on my heartstrings, and I'll tell you why. How many times do the people around the world right now forget about the manufacturing side of things and go, I love my doctors, I love my dentist, I love my phone, I love my computer. We're the ones making it. We are making these bits, and we're enjoying making these bits to take care of the world, to take care of you, which is why this is important to me as well, Shogo-san.
Yeah, thank you. So our purpose of manufacturing is we'll cut the burden of manufacturing and create the world we can enjoy manufacturing. So I think this way of thinking is similar to our founder's way of thinking. So when he started up our company, NAKAMURA-TOME, he considered about the operator in the factory and help and support such people. And same feeling for this 73 years. Yeah, this is special.
This is special, and for everyone who's watching, Shogo-san, I hope I'm not speaking out of turn by saying the concept of your grandfather is a beautiful concept, and I know that he is very proud of you for continuing that in a third generation, over 70 years later, to say, we're creating a better lifestyle for people.
Yeah.
We're doing the multitasking. This is the original pinch-turning machine, for
That's
crying
right.
out loud. And we're doing this in a way that we really enjoy manufacturing. And we want the audience and the world to go, wow, manufacturing isn't always dirty and grimy. And this is fun. This is a 31-year-old CEO for one of the most famous turning machines on the planet. And do you see this guy's smile? This is what manufacturing is about. So thank you so much for sharing this story and this history. For those of you who want to learn more about Nakamura-Tome, I'm actually standing in a museum right now, and I would invite you to fly to Japan and check this out. But if you can't, continue watching MTDCNC and give this guy Shogo-san a call. He is happy to share all of this story with everyone who's watching right now.
Learning from Tony. Cheers.